every time I walk into a lecture room, so I ask this question, and I ask it very differently if I'm chairside, but I always walk into a large room and I'm like, all right, who in the audience snores? And I'm like, when no one raises their hand, I'm like, all right, you're all full of crap, because 70% of the population snore. And Delvin and I always say, we're like, men are in denial and women speak in code. So it's like, you know, it's obviously a huge problem.
Yeah.
And but if I'm chairside and I'm meeting a new patient, I never ask someone, do you snore? I said, are you aware that you snore? Very different question.